Hello everyone and welcome back to our Thermador Kitchen. My name is Chef John Cardona, and this month we bring to you another recipe from Garden and Gun magazine from What Is in Season Recipes. And what we're going to be exploring is the essence and flavors of sunchokes and leeks. Sunchokes are kind of like a mixture between, they look like a ginger meets potato, but they taste like a potato meets artichoke. Very delicious. And we're going to be grilling some leeks as well. We're going to be making this beautiful quiche on a 48-inch ProHarmony range. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you blind bake your pie crust in your secondary oven at 475 degrees. It takes about 12 minutes. While that's baking, what you want to do is you want to grill your leeks on high for about 2 minutes per side, and then on medium for maybe a minute and a half or so. What I like about this grill is that I can have this on 2 separate temperatures, high on top, medium on the bottom. So if I want to sear something really high and have that outdoor grill flavor, I can do it on this range indoors. So once your pie bakes for about 12 minutes or so, you're going to pull it out. You want it to be golden brown. I'm going to pull out these telescopic racks. It makes it a lot easier to pull my food out, just like so. And let that rest for about 30 minutes. This is the easiest part. We're going to go ahead and saute our chopped sunchokes. Our leeks that have been grilled are in there with some garlic and some butter. We then are going to whip some eggs. Add our heavy whipping cream, salt and pepper. We're going to add our thyme. I'm going to add this cream mixture into our cheese, and I have some Gruyere cheese in here. Grab our sauteed mixture of sunchokes, grilled leeks, and garlic. Drop it right inside. We're going to mix this thoroughly, and then we're going to add this into our pie crust. So now that your pie dough has actually been filled and you have your quiche, you want to put this inside of your main oven at 325 degrees for about 45 minutes up to 1 hour. The way you know that this is actually done, you're going to insert a knife when you think it's done. You're going to pull it out. It should come out smooth and hot to the touch to your skin. I also paired this quiche with arugula, tomatoes. I have some heirloom tomatoes in here, and the grilled leeks with a little salt, pepper, olive oil, and some sherry vinegar of Jerez. I mean, doesn't this look delicious? With that said, I hope that you enjoy cooking this recipe on our Thermador 48-inch ProHarmony range. Thank you very much, and see you next month.